It's so sad, guys. That's our final time airing out this car. The last time you're gonna see it on bags. Nothing beats the Meister fitment, but the RPF ones don't look bad. Car looks extra shiny with all the main lights off. Look at that hood, glistening. All right, guys, welcome to another video. Today we're gonna be installing the coils. Good little marketplace find. We already have these on the car, the SPC ones, and we already have the skunk front. Now the rear toe. I never did the rear toe on this car, so the rear has been needing an adjustment since I got the car, pretty much. This is our true hard rear toe adjustment. At the extreme lows, BC coils that are used, probably a couple thousand miles, what the guy said, but it was on a very low car, so a little bit of scratching here and there. Shout out to the guy parting out his car, got a smacking deal. He also watches the channel. I need you guys' opinions down in the comments before we hop into this. It seems to be kind of split 50-50. A lot of people love the OEM look because it's just all black, kind of crisp. A lot of people love the forged carbon. Should I put the forged carbon fenders back on? I'll let you guys decide down in the comments. Me personally though, I'm kind of missing it, so I might just slap it on anyway and ignore you guys. But I still want to hear you guys fight in the comments, so OEM or forged carbon, let me know. Let's get this car aired up and remove the air suspension. It's a sad day, but we're going performance, baby. This tank setup was supposed to be one of the craziest setups you've ever seen, but I only got like halfway done. Got the wire harness, got the tank pulled off, and now it's time for the struts. Here's our attempts to making it a little quieter back here. I'm kind of curious which struts are more heavy. I'm assuming the coils are going to be a little bit heavier just because they have the metal coil and not a piece of rubber holding air. So I'm assuming the weight's going to go right back in. Should keep the car a little bit more grounded on the road. Step 2, we'll start pulling the lines and disconnecting all the struts one by one. Current setup, I'm pretty sure the guy ran pretty low, so it's gonna be a pretty slam setup. But I'm not gonna make any adjustments. I'll make all the adjustments once it's on there. Just comparing real quick. Get these in the car along with the toe. I'm gonna take it to a shop to get everything dialed in because that's not what I do. Fun fact, this is my first time installing coils on any car. I know it's pretty easy adjusting the coils and everything, but I want everything to be dialed in. I'm gonna take it to a shop to adjust the toes and make sure our height is just perfect all the way around. I know I said I wasn't gonna adjust, but these rear coils were just stuck on there. So here I am going through and just cleaning up all the threads with some penetration oil. That way everything just threads on nice and smooth and we don't have any complications when we're adjusting at the end. I don't know why these things were on here so tight. I had to put it in the vise because it was so awkward. 30 minutes later, we got it loose. And then the next problem we had was the fitment. I didn't know this before, but it seems like the Type S and the base model have a little bit of a different thickness as far as the bottom of the strut and where that mounts. If you compare it to the Airtekk, you can see that they're a little bit thicker. And so honestly, I just took a grinder, shaved it down a little bit, and everything fit in perfect. We're down here, we made an adjustment. I probably went up 1/4 of an inch. Went down here, broke the bottom one loose. I did this 12 times, but I don't know exactly how many times it went around. We definitely gonna take this car in to get it dialed in because I'm not gonna get it dialed today. Quick tip for those of you guys that have bigger hands. I'm starting to chew mine up right now because of this metal piece right here in the way. Coilovers, they get installed from right behind here. This piece right here is sharp and this piece right here is sharp, going in and out. Hey, we get some weight reduction going on. I was fighting it for a little bit. You do it once or twice, it's fine, but when you have to go in and out 4 times because of whatever, it's annoying. Rears are locked in and adjusted to what our first adjustment is. I don't know if it's right or not. Before we slap these wheels on, I'm gonna show you guys a quick way while the wheels are off to clean the carpet lining. Air hose, toner door. First drop, here we go. Let's see where she's sitting. Yo, these are stiff. Didn't even move. Do we even have tension? Okay, there's still a little bit. I'm not even gonna make adjustments. They're even Steven. Yeah, not turning with that. I think we got it like 2 hours later, 4 adjustments later. I think we could go. Okay, so queso dip. Before you guys start commenting about the wheel specs, this is not a permanent setup. So you got 9.5 in the front and 10.5 in the rear as far as the width, and I want to go way smaller in the back, probably a 9, and then maybe a 9 up front. I think I just want 9s all around square. I'll wash the car, bring it back inside, raise the rear like another 1/2 inch. Interior's back together. Remind me to tighten down the battery. I know it looks clean, but she's dusty. It has a lot of marks and stuff around the fender where I did my work. So let's give it a quick wash. You guys, but the first drive after any suspension work gotta be one of the most nerve-wracking things, especially that I did it myself. It sounds like, you guys hear that in the back? What's going on back there? I thought it would be a little stiffer. It actually feels pretty solid. We'll know once we take a corner and actually get on it, but so far, it actually feels pretty, like, not as stiff as I thought it was gonna be. Yeah, that's a big bump. We gotta check for bacon fenders. Oh, that was not good. That was not good. What did I hit? That bump didn't hurt anything. Okay, we're good. We're good, just a little noisy. Something's scraping in the rear. I gotta figure that out, but we're definitely gonna raise up the rear. Welcome to the 7-Eleven. Do you want no snackies? Come on, baby. Oh, I'm just gonna turn around. I'm scared to drive this thing. A little baby second gear pull to wrap up today's video. We need new tires, bro. Back here. Bro, look how much lower our exhaust is. We definitely hit that. Almost 100% sure that was the exhaust scraping. Hitting a little bit right here. That's fresh. Small adjustment in the front will go up a couple turns. I fixed the clips on the exhaust down there. That'll help. We just need to go up a little bit. Oh man, my car needs a paint correction. That's gonna do it for the video. We got some adjustments to make, but we'll get it dialed in. And definitely new tires are in the scope because we got some nice weather. Let's bring her in before she overheats.